Hello, Yatris. Welcome back to Yatri Cloud. I'm with Zohan. So, as you can see right now, I'm the 7x Oracle certified, which is I passed earlier. But right now, I'm going to share with you 10 free Oracle certification, which you can give right now before 31st July. Okay, that means you need to activate your subscription, right? And you can schedule the exam even after the deadline of 31st July. So no need to worry about it. Make sure you need to prepare first, try to give practice tests and then go into the exam. Now back to our free certification exam. How many certifications exams is free right now? This is the 10, and secondly, this is for data engineers and some of on the AI side also. So I will go through it one by one, but make sure you subscribe to the Yatri Cloud to get latest update and hit the like button and do comment which certification are you going to go with next, right? So let's get started. So firstly, I'm going to share with you the first certification, how to become a MySQL implementation associate certified. So this is the first one. Second one is about database admin side. Third one is about Heatwave MySQL implementation associate. And the fourth one, MySQL database developer professional. So these four certifications are free right now in specific MySQL. So let's say you are go with the fourth one. Click here and scroll down, complete all the learning modules. You will be get idea what actually exam about. Then you can give the practice test. And lastly, you need to just click on the register now to schedule the exam. So click here and then go with exam overview, then go with the different topics, training, and click on the schedule the exam. Then you need to just scroll down and just click on any of the date, whatever you want, right? And select your time. That's it. And complete some formalities and then click on the schedule the exam. Your exam is going to schedule without charge. It's totally free. So that is I'm giving you just one demo how to schedule the exam. And this is the fourth certification. Now let's talk about fifth one. This is for data platform, right? The same way you can schedule the exam, which is free right now. Okay. The deadline is not given. So make sure you can prepare it as you will be getting a time. Okay. Then you can go with Oracle Guiding Learning Administrator Foundations Associate 1. And then you can say seventh certification is about Fusion Cloud Application ERP. Then this is the eighth one on SCM side. This is the ninth one on Oracle Infrastructure AI. And last one but not least, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure 2025 Foundation. Okay. So this total 10 certification which you can schedule right now after preparing the exam. Okay. So yes, best of luck and all the links are given in our community links. So what's the community name Oracle Yatri? You can find out the links in the description of WhatsApp community. Okay. Then also in the Discord, I'm going to share with you all the links. So just check it out once, try it out, and hit the like button, subscribe to the Yatri Cloud, and see you soon. Bye bye.